about filling up your gas tank for free? Restoration Place Church is hosting its annual gas giveaway. The giveaway is tomorrow, but we won't know the location until later today. Pastor Tim is here with us. Good morning.
Good morning. Super glad to be here.
Well, we are excited that you're here this morning. So first, I wanted to know what the purpose of this gas giveaway is.
Well, you know, everybody knows it's Easter, and this is our greatest cause. We love to give back to our community during the Easter weekend, and this is our 5th year doing it, and we love to give back. We believe that every church should be the hands and feet of Christ. So this is just our big time to reach back and to help those along the way get a little bit further in life.
Of course, and maybe a little bit further on the road as well.
That's right.
So the location as of right now is top secret, but you will be announcing it today. Where can our friends at home maybe find that information?
Well, you can check us out on Facebook. We're at Restoration Place Church. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and then you can also go to restorationplacechurch.org. At 4 p.m. today, we're going to announce where we're going to be. It's going to be an amazing time. You don't want to miss. It's going to be at 12 noon on that faithful Saturday.
That's right. So tomorrow, 12. Now, will you guys be there for a specific amount of time, or?
Yes, we're going to be there as long as supplies last.
Of course.
All right. We want to try to help as many people as we can, and so typically they start lining up just a little bit before 12, and we're just going to line them up, and we're going to help them out with gas, and not only gas, but they also get the love from our team. You can offer prayer, receive prayer, a lot of love and hugs and just support from our church, because we want to make sure that we know that we're the hands and feet of Christ and helping those who are in need.
That's right. So this weekend is a big weekend for churches all across the world.
Yes.
So I know that you guys are super excited as well.
Yes, and we want them to know that we exist at 28186 US Highway 98 in Daphne, Alabama, right next door to the Goodyear Tires. And so we'll have 2 services, one at 9:30 and one at 11 a.m. It's going to be an awesome time. It
sure is. Now remember, tomorrow at 12 o'clock, but today at 4, they're announcing that location. Try to get there as soon as possible so you can get some gas in your car.
That's right. We'll be there with the blue t-shirts on that say "I Restore."
Awesome. Well, Pastor Tim, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
We'll have all the information at fox10tv.com right under the Studio 10 tab. Joe?